SPP-SH Series Ultrabake pull plugs are ideal for basic masking applications. SPP-SH Series offers 73 different sized plugs with diameters ranging from 1/20th of an inch to 1 3/8 of an inch. SPP-SH plugs are made of silicone rubber. Silicone is flexible yet durable and provides a longer service life in adverse environments than other materials. Our Ultrabake silicone can withstand temperatures from -29 degrees to up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit when heated intermittently, or 450 degrees Fahrenheit at a continuous temperature. SPP-SH plugs are recommended for powder coating, e-coating, plating, and anodizing. They are ideal for masking both threaded and non-threaded through holes and feature a long handle that allows for quick and easy installation and removal.